I'm Kim. I'm with 626 Ohana, California, and today we are staying at the villas at the Grand Californian, and this is a 1-bedroom villa as part of the DVC, part of the hotel. So we're gonna go and take a little room tour. This is really exciting. I love the fact with the Grand, theme park rooms do not actually cost extra because they're all kind of lumped together. So you can always request one. So let's take a look. When you first walk in, sorry, we're being kind of quiet. We have neighbors and we're late. Checking in. You have this ironing board, basket, your usual DVC stuff. But it's a huge closet.
Extra pillows, blankets.
Yeah, and you'll see why in a minute. All right, let's take a walk over here. You've got some cleaning supplies.
Just what you want to do on vacation.
Yeah, right? We're gonna slam that door quickly.
That's why I take over you.
Look at this really nice table for everybody. This would be a great place to have breakfast. And actually, if you're gonna watch our tips and if you're gonna watch our pros and cons video on the Grand Californian Hotel, we'll share that with you next week. And this is kind of nice to have a big, huge table like this, especially right now. And you have this lovely, huge kitchen. And comes with wine glasses and coffee mugs. Nice stove and microwave if you were gonna cook. Toaster. It's worth noting they do have some disposable bowls, cups, whatnot. And let's see what's down here. Oh, just some serving platters. Oh, you got some dish towels, a cutting board. I didn't see what's in here. Oh, and it comes with coffee and tea for the morning, a roll of paper towels, and some stuff to wash dishes if you so inclined to take on vacation. That's some really nice serveware. Okay. Oh, and it has a dishwasher so you're not having to wash dishes on your vacation. Measuring cup, pitcher. And here. Oh, you got a drying rack if you decide to do them dishes.
And garbage.
And garbage.
And extra roll of paper towels.
That's nice. All right. You've got huge freezer. Nice size. We have our breakfast in here, so excuse us. And the water we brought ourselves. It was not included in the room. Silverware. Oh, let's see what's in here. Oh, that's just dishes and pans, mixing bowls. Everything you need to make a nice feast. Yeah. Ooh, look at that knife. Don't let the littles near them. That's actually a pretty nice room. Got a strainer and a huge bowl.
I like to have the island.
I do like the island. Now something came with the rooms recently. So I love this little packet came in our rooms. First time we've stayed DVC during pandemics. And it comes with a little Purell and some handy wipes. So I'll just get a nice 4 little packets. A little alcohol wipe. One of the things I've noticed when I came in here is the TV remote is wrapped in plastic. So that's really nice. You got your remote. It's been cleaned.
And then, of course, the big thing is...
It's Disney's Grand California.
So...
This is Disney's California Adventure. I'm sorry. Okay, and then you have this lock, but really nice for parents if they have a child lock up here.
Patio?
Yeah, you go. And if you see this partition here, we have a 1-bedroom, but if this was if you had the other studio part as part of a 2-bedroom, then they would remove that and you'd have a bigger patio.
This is the view. Of course, you got over there is the
Goofy's.
no, not Goofy's.
Flight.
Paradise Pier.
Oh, okay, yeah,
so you
but
got the Paradise Pier Hotel over there, and then you're going into DCA over here. Here you can see the Incredibles and
Incredicoaster.
the Incredicoaster.
Looks so peaceful right now. Now, the one thing about a 1-bedroom is you can have a ton of people staying here. They have this really nice lift down bed. So you can have a kid here. Now, I'm gonna tell you I'm about 5'4.5". And for reference,
You could.
I could sleep here.
I wouldn't. Well, I could probably.
Actually, it's comfortable. It's not bad. This mattress isn't too bad.
At an angle, I probably could. So
This one's a little smaller than the Disney World ones in length, but it's actually, it seems wider than the ones at Disney World that we stayed in.
And of course, couch folds out to a bed as well. Let's go ahead and change that now. And there it is. Now,
Look at all the space in between, so you don't have to worry about the 2 beds. You can dance here, and I can dance here.
and the mattresses, Kim was noticing they've moved, changed.
So, let me just lay down on this. It's like a really hard memory foam.
Better than what we had last time.
Honestly, I still think we'd have a hard time sleeping on it. But I don't know, I'd have you try it real quick.
So, as far as the bed is concerned, last time we spent the night here,
We didn't sleep.
We couldn't sleep on this. Hayden slept like a rock on that,
Our son.
and we wish we would have that. Well, they changed the mattresses. They're better, but not 100%.
Not the best. So yeah, I don't know how well we would sleep there. All right, so this is a first bathroom. So this actually has 2 full bathrooms. And look at that nice huge shower. That is so cool.
Hey, look, no pumps.
Woohoo! All right,
Hello.
we have a closet with a
Washer and dryer.
dryer and a little laundry soap. Alright. There's a second bathroom, the master bathroom. Look at that nice jacuzzi tub. And under here, how cute is this for the littles? They might need help getting up to the sink. That's pretty cool. And you've got your hair dryer. Okay. That's a nice shower with a little bench seat.
Lazy.
Yeah. A little pocket bathroom. Now look at the wallpaper. You'll notice it's Pinocchio. Okay. So one thing is kind of strange is some of the DVCs is there's a bathtub, but I can see through to the master bedroom.
They've done that in that one also.
Yeah, I know they have, but I'm just taking note. Hi! From the bedroom. Alright. Regular closet and safe. The one thing I noticed up here is they have a little tag so that once you break this, it'll replace it with a fresh one. That's kind of nice.
Okay.
Okay. So I like this, how they have places to hang things up, store it. We could technically put my lounge fly up here and store it for the evening.
Is that open?
No, it doesn't. It's a bench. You got our TV. Look at how deep these drawers are. That's really nice. And so they've got plugins here. And plugins over there. But this room does not have you. Oh, on the clock. Okay. That's cool.
Couple on clock.
All right. And then one thing is, if you need more storage, is you can slide your luggage underneath the bed.
But no USBs over here or no plug-in. Oh, there's a plug-in back there.
So, real quick. So tomorrow morning we'll come back, we'll tell you how we slept, if it's comfortable bed or not, and we'll give you a daytime view from the room and kind of tell you what we think of this room overall after we've stayed here. So look forward to that after this. Good morning. So we had a good night last night. We realized here we got a little warm in our room. So if we would have opened up the connecting door to the one bedroom, it would have stayed cooler. And also the mattress was a firmer mattress. It wasn't uncomfortable, but it was pretty firm. That's just a personal preference for myself, but if you like soft mattresses, this was a harder mattress.
It wasn't uncomfortable, it was firm. I liked it, I was fine with it.
Yeah, see, preference. We had a great night, good morning. We highly recommend it. We found some hidden Mickeys around the room, so we'll show you those real quick. But overall, we've had a really great stay. We love the villas at the Grand Californian. We highly recommend it. We love this DVC room, and it was relaxing. And we had a really nice morning where we had our muffins that we got in the park, sat out on the porch with a cup of coffee, and watched them ride test Goofy's Flight School and Credicoaster, and what was the other one? Oh, the Pixar's Pal Around. So it's kind of fun to watch the rides being warmed up and tested while you have your morning coffee. So if you find this video helpful, please don't forget to like, subscribe, and follow along with our Ohana. So for that, we're gonna say goodbye and find your magic. Bye, everyone.